Hello, welcome to Operations Management. In this lecture, I will talk about linear trend projection method for forecasting. So as the name specifies, a trend might be an increasing trend or a decreasing trend. And we are interested in a linear trend, which means a line. So it will look something like uh, an increasing trend with x increasing, y will also increase, or the other one is decreasing trend, as x increases, y will decrease. So the equation for the linear trend would be f of t is equal to a plus bt. So it looks like the equation of a line. So f of t is the forecast for specific time period t, and then t is the specific time period t. So t will be from 0, t starts at 0, so the starting would be, so this is a start, and then we have a as y-intercept and b is the slope of the line. So this is the main concept behind trend projection. Now I will try to solve a problem. I will use Excel to solve this problem. So Dell computer sells laptop. Table 1 presents the sales of sales for the year 2017. So we have a data set here. So forecast January 2018 and March 2018 sales using linear trend. So if you see, these are the data set we have, and we need to form from this data set, we need to get an equation of a line. So we are trying to get f of t is equal to a plus bt. So we are trying to get what is a, which is y-intercept, what is b, which is the slope of the line, and then we can substitute t in here to get f of t. So the first thing which we will do is we will copy this data onto Excel. So I will do right click, copy, and then I will go to Excel and paste the data here. So once I paste it, I will get this data set onto Excel. So now I will try to create another column. So time period, like in our formula f of t a plus bt, time period t, if we put January, we cannot forecast, so we need to give a number coding. So time period, so I will code the numbers as this is time period, as January as 1 I will call, Feb as 2, March as 3, April as 4, May as 5, June as 6, July 7, 8 as August, and 9 as September. October is 10, November is 11, December is 12. So that's the time period coding I'm giving, numbering I'm giving here. So now I will select this and then go to insert and go to insert scatter or bubble chart. So you have to find the scatter plot for your data set. So you click on that and select this. So you get this chart, and now say always remember that time period should be on x-axis. So because and Excel treats the first column as x-axis and the second column as y-axis, so make sure that you have time period on the first column and your sales on the second column. So now you can select these data points. They get highlighted, and right click on it and say add trend line. So once I add a trend line, I get a line. Now I'm interested in finding the equation, so I will so on the right side you will find display equation on chart. So you have to click that. So once you click that, you get this equation, and then you can make it big. Maybe I will increase the size. So that is our equation. If you see, I can move these to be clear. So we got this equation, which is our y-intercept is 11.015. So I will just write it here. Y is equal y-intercept is 11.015, and then our slope, which is, so this is y-intercept is our a, so I will also write a here, and then our slope is b in our equation. So if you go and see the a plus bt, a is 11.015, that's what we got, and our b is 0.472. Clearly you can observe it has an increasing trend. That's why this slope is a positive slope. If it has a decreasing trend, it would have had a negative value in front of this 0.0472. So now our time period, so time period I can key in. So this is t, and this is t. So this is where I can put my values, and then I will do f of t, which is my forecasted value. So the forecasted value, this would be my final result I will get. So here I will key in a formula, which is f of t. Our formula is, if you see, f of t a plus bt. So I will go to my Excel sheet, and then a is 11.015, so I will select that, plus slope is the b 0.472. I will select that and multiplied by whatever I get in this cell, I have in this cell. So at this time I don't have anything, so I will have a y-intercept value only, that is 11.015. So this is how you set up in Excel your trend projection. Now they are asking us to calculate January 2018. So January 2000, this is 2017 data. So January 2018, suppose I will insert a row here. So January 2018, so I will type in here. So this would be my time period 13, and they are asking us what would be your uh, what would be your value here, maybe. So I'm just highlighting with colors. So to get that value, I'll close this. The easiest way is I just put this 13, number 13, in the time period. So then it will start projecting for me. So that is 17.151. 17.151. So that's January 2018 projection. I can round it off and say it would be 18 units. So then the next question is March 2018 sales. So I can go here and do March 2018. So okay, I need Feb in between, so I will do Feb 2018. So this will be my number 14, Feb will be 14, and my March would be 15. So now I'm predicting March, so I will highlight with a different color. So now I have to put in place of time period 15. So I can put here, instead of 13, now I'm putting 15. So my trend projection would be 18.095. 18.095. So I can round it off and say it's 19 units. So this is how you will be solving trend projection problems. This concludes my lecture on trend projection. Thank you.